Hello creative friend, Jamie here. I have a fun process to share with you. This is going to be more of a process video than a tutorial. I took this really great Skillshare class by this wonderful artist, and she creates these really beautiful abstract paintings, and that's what her class is about. So I'm just taking 4x7 kind of cards. I get these from Hobby Lobby, but you can also find them on Amazon, so I'll have them linked below. And you just tape them to a surface, and she kind of walks you through this abstract painting process where you kind of have a series of prompts and you create just these really beautiful abstract paintings. My painting job is not so good. I use drafting tape. It works really, really well and it doesn't really stick. So that's what I'm using. And like I said, my taping job, I definitely need to work on because the edges were not even. So I'm going to turn these into postcards and into cards too, to give to my friends. But it's such a great way if you want to create just a piece of art that's abstract. There's not a lot of overthinking. So I'm not really going to go into the step-by-step process, but you could probably figure it out if you just follow the steps that I do too. There's a very special way of how she starts. So if you kind of look, I think you can kind of tell, but tell me what you think these lines are. But it was a really fun process, and I just wanted to share with you the process. Also too, I do have a link. It's an affiliate link for Skillshare. So in case you don't know, they're a platform that has a ton of different classes. It's a really great value. And they gave me a discount code, so you can check that out if you want. And I'm just going to pick colors that I want to use. I definitely used a lot of her techniques, and she's a wonderful teacher. She takes you through the entire process. But I kind of added my own spin on things. So I added like some scraping action and splatters and that kind of thing. But it's a really fun and easy process, especially if you want to try abstract painting and you're a little bit intimidating, or you just want to do something fun that doesn't require a lot of brain work and you don't have to rip out composition or anything like that. This is such a cool technique that I will definitely be trying again. So I hope you check out the class or you give this a try, right? It's super simple, really. It's a fun process. There's a little bit of a learning curve and why we kind of lay down the layers like we do and that kind of thing. But you can definitely, follow along and be inspired. So I'm going to let you watch the process. I'll have the link to Skillshare if you're interested. Let me know if you want to see more of these kind of videos of like how I grow as an artist. I take a lot of classes and I just love learning from other people because you see their technique and how they create their art, and I always learn when I take classes. When I take classes, just a few recommendations that I do is that I try to do it kind of like I think I start out the process kind of creating how the teacher creates, and then I've made so much art that I know things that I love, like splatters and drips and that kind of thing, so I'll add that in. But I try to stay within the class, and then the next time I do it, I kind of do my own thing and come up with a lot of cool techniques just from doing a lot of art. So I recommend that if you're a little bit uncomfortable with creating art, or if you just maybe are in like a spot where it's hard for you to create or you don't have a lot of ideas, don't be afraid to take art classes. I think it's such a wonderful thing, and you can take them online, which is great. And I have a school, and there's Skillshare, and there's so many tons of other artists that create wonderful, affordable classes that you can enjoy. So I'm gonna do the initial layers of paint. I let that dry, and then I go in with pens and markers and add a bunch of lines. But I really love the way that this turns out. I think this would be such a great gift to give to someone, just a little abstract painting, or even turn these into cards, which is what I'm gonna do. So you'll see that on Instagram if you follow me there. But I hope that you enjoy the process. I'm gonna put on some music and let you watch. But if you haven't tried abstract painting, it's so much fun. If you would like to see more abstract paintings, maybe even a tutorial style one, because I do a lot of them, just let me know, and I will do that for you. So I'll see you guys next time. Happy creating. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Happy creating. Bye bye.